Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing power sources. This prevents shorts and lets you work safely. Once done, test the Shift key in a text editor and with an external USB keyboard to confirm it's the laptop key, not software. Make sure you have a small Phillips, plastic pry tool, tweezers, and compressed air on hand. Next, clear visible debris around the keycap with compressed air and a soft brush. This first action often frees sticky contacts and reveals whether deeper disassembly is needed. Carefully pry up the keycap from a corner using a plastic tool. Avoid metal to prevent damage. Once removed, inspect the scissor mechanism or hinge, the rubber dome membrane, and the plastic clips. Look for cracks, misaligned arms, or sticky residue. Clean the contact area with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab and let it dry. If clips are broken, remove the entire assembly to replace the hinge or keycap. Reseat the rubber dome precisely so the switch actuates evenly when pressed. Reassemble by aligning the scissor or hinge onto guideposts, then place the keycap and press evenly until it snaps into place. Test multiple presses and hold shift combinations to confirm consistent actuation. If the key still misbehaves, reboot and check keyboard drivers or accessibility settings. Software can mask hardware fixes. One troubleshooting tip: if the key registers intermittently, try swapping a known good key or using a temporary external keyboard to isolate a faulty membrane.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.